Pull it off.
Boo! Boo! You want to put it back on?
Go put it back on. So
You put it back on.
Oh.
Did I do that?
Yeah, you hit the eject button with your arm.
Or is it that?
Right up. No, that one. I don't know, maybe not.
Wow.
Cray-cray.
Shake him. Shake him. Shake him. Shake him. Shake him. Shake him up. 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 Yeah. You will take off flyer. Go. Yeah. Shake him up big time. Those are big, heavy ones. Oh, that's it. Get a little one.
It's about a little more your size.
Get a little one that you can handle better. Shake him up. Shake him up.
Oh, one in each hand. Shake him. Shake him. Shake him.
Yeah, make noise. You're gonna fall back. Wait,
This
hard,
is so
hard.
much easier, Opa.
Boy,
Are you filming?
exercising those arms. Exercising those arms.
Shake him. Shake him. Go on.
There you go. There you go.
I'm out of here.
Oh, that's it.
The diaper's cut kind of like a
You just go
sumo wrestler
I
diaper.
know.
When she first gets just like that,